Hi guys, welcome to TechTube channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a congratulation card in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva, search it to Google, then log into your Canva account with ID and password. After logging in, you can see here a search bar. Just click here and write congratulation card. Press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you will find many congratulation cards template. All you have to just choose one and start customizing by yourself, which is your choice preference. Okay, so let's choose one. Let's choose this one. If you like this card and if you want to customize this, go here, customize this template. After clicking on this, your template is ready to customize. Now you can edit every portion you want. I'm going to show you how. If you want to zoom it, just press Ctrl and up scroll from the mouse. Ctrl plus up scroll, it will be zoom. Now if you want to color this text, or this is to clarify that, double click, and if you want to delete this text, just press backspace on your keyboard and you can write anything here. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how you can color it. Just double click, you can see here text color, go and mark your color, it will be colored. Or if you want to bold it, go bold, it will be bold like this. Okay, so you can see here the date. You can you can add a date here by clicking on text, going heading. You have to make it smaller, then you have to not this, you have to drag it here, double click and press backspace, it will be removed. Now enter your date here. Okay, you can add signature here by same, go text, add a heading, resize it, and then you have to drag it here, double click, and you can add your signature. I have already shown you how you can color it. Just double click. If you want to color it, go text color, you can color it like this. Or if you want to bold it, click on bold B, this will be bold like this. Okay guys, so if you want to change the whole background color, this is black, just click on here and you can see here the background color. Click on this and you will find many colors like this one, or any color you can change. Okay guys, so after completing, you can also, if you don't like this one, you can delete this, or if you like this but you have deleted by forgetting, you can undo this also. Just go here and click this, it will be undo. Alright, you can add a text, I already show you. Now I'm gonna show you how you can download it. If you want to download it, go share button. You can see here the download button. If you click on download, then you will be suggested for many size or standard, JPG, PNG or PDF standard. Just click one and start downloading by clicking on this. Or if you want to share this with someone via mail, go here and you have to click here collaborate link, anyone with the access, this one. Then you have to write here the email address you want to share with. Okay, after clicking on email address, you have to click on this send button. After clicking on send, this whole work will be sent to that email. Okay guys, so this is how you can basically make a congratulations card in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.